And thanks for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and very excited that you're joining me today for a little sneak peek of my August 2024 Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit subscription program. So this is a kit that I cultivate all the items in the kit to create your wonderful crafting experience every single month. So we choose a featured bundle. So this month we are featuring the Frosted Forest stamp set, and this one is bundled. I love this, right? With dies and decorative masks. Have you ever used decorative masks before? They're so much fun, and you can do so many things with them that you might not have expected. So this class, this month's class, is a little bit different than some that we've done, as this one is very technique focused. So we're going to do some different ways of doing some blending techniques. So you'll learn lots and lots of things in this class, or at least practice some things that you've learned before, right? All right. So want to see a sneak peek of the projects that we're going to do this month? I love it. I do love it. All right, so I'm not going to show you the insides. Now we do the insides as well. So the insides are just as important as the outside of a project, in my opinion, but not for everyone, right? So I do it a little bit differently than some, and we make sure our insides are beautiful as well as our outsides. So we always bring that design to the inside. Now in our subscription program, each month we do 5 projects. So there are 4 cards and 1 not a card. So you never know what that not a card project is going to be. It's just something different, right? So let's get a peek. So we've got this one here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now this one's a fun fold that's got a surprise element in the inside. I can't show you that. That's just for my subscribers. And then we've got our not a card with a surprise treat for that. And this beautiful mountain seascape, scenery, scenescape. Is that a word? Scenescape? I don't know. And then this one's one of my favorites. Isn't that gorgeous? So many great things that we're going to do with this stamp and die bundle. Now, if you don't have the particular stamp set that is featured in the monthly kit, you can always use the things that you have at home. Now, this kit, you're going to want to have those decorative masks for sure. Even if you want to use different sentiments or different colors, right? You can change things up a little bit, but we package everything up to you and send it right to you so that you have everything you need to get right to the paper crafting fun. Now, I do an overview video as well as a complete detailed PDF tutorial with a supply list, cut dimensions, and step-by-step instructions. If you've got any questions about the program, please let me know. You can leave me a comment, ask questions, or send me a note. I hope that you'll give us a try, right? It's a lot of fun, and I think that you'll love it. All right, bye for now.